Equities consolidate and treasuries rally. Good evening, everyone. I'm Kristin Martinez, and welcome to tonight's VSB stock market report. U.S. equities consolidate with the S&P 500 index remaining above 1450. U.S. Treasuries rallied on the back of comments made by the Federal Reserve of New York President Dudley, who said the central bank's new stimulus is vital for boosting unacceptably slow improvement in economic growth. The U.S. September NAHB housing market index brought better than expected news on the U.S. housing front. The index came in at 40 versus market expectations of 38, the highest since 2006. In Europe, bad loans in Spain's banking system rose to a record 9.86% in July, and lending fell 4.53%, raising concerns about when Spain will ask for a bailout. According to a Bank of America study, the U.S. fiscal cliff has replaced the European crisis as the #1 concern for investors. In North America, the Dow Jones closed at 13,562, up 0.07%. The S&P closed at 1,458, down 0.23%. The Nasdaq closed at 3,178, down 0.03%, and the TSX closed at 12,418, down 0.23%. In Europe, the FTSE 100 closed at 5,868, down 0.43%. The CAC 40 closed at 3,513, down 1.17%, and the DAX closed at 7,348, down 0.76%. In the Pacific Rim, the Nikkei closed at 9,124, down 0.39%, and the Shanghai closed at 2,060, down 0.92%. In the U.S. bond market, the 10-year U.S. Treasury's closing price is 98 and 12/32, decreasing the yield to 1.8%. In currencies, the U.S. dollar was stronger and closed at $1.03 against the Canadian dollar, $1.62 against the sterling, and $1.30 against the euro. In the Bermuda Stock Exchange, the Bank of Butterfield closed at $1.23 with no daily change at a volume of 70,856. Key-Tech closed at $6, up 44 cents at a volume of 300, and Bermuda Commercial Bank closed at $11.50, up 50 cents with a volume of 494. That's all for the Stock Market Report. Stay tuned for more news ahead with Peter.